Let us now solve this problem. How many different 6-digit numbers can we form by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 if the repetition of the digits is allowed and if the repetition of the digits is not allowed? We now have 7 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the number that we are talking about is a 6-digit number. So we now have 6 boxes and each box will be filled by these numbers. When the repetition is allowed, the first box can be filled by 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have 7 possible options to fill in the first box. Supposedly we fill the first box with 1. Then what can be there in the second box? The obvious point of contention is 1. But because we know that the repetition is allowed, and in this possibility, we can include 1 as well. So the second box can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 different options for second box as well. Clearly we'll have 7 options for third box, fourth box, fifth box, sixth box and 7. 7 different options for each box. The answer to this question will be multiplication of all the options. So we'll have 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 6 times. That will be 7 raised to 6. What if the repetition of the digit is not allowed? So in the first box we can fill in with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 options for the first box. Assuming that the first box is filled with 1, what can be there in the second box? Repetition is not allowed. So if 1 is used in the first box, it cannot be there in the second box. So for the second box, we'll have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have 6 options here. When we take 1 in the first box, we have 6 options. If we take 2 in the first box, we'll again have 6 options. Clearly, if we take 1, there are 6 options. If we take 2 in the first box, there are 6 options. If we take 3 in the first box, there are 6 options. Here, the first box has 7 options. The second box has 1 option less because 1 digit is already used. The consequent box will have 2 options less because 2 digits are used. And so on. The answer to this question will be multiplication of all these possibilities. So we'll have 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, which is 7 factorial. Note that 1 has to be multiplied to get 7 factorial, but multiplying by 1 will not change the answer. So this is 7 factorial answers.